Hi guys, this is mamTa. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I do my makeup on summer because we sweat a lot, or if you have a oily skin then your foundation gonna be very messy. So here is my sweat proof foundation routine that doesn't move from your face. So without any further ado, let's get started. So once I'm done with my skincare routine, I'm going to apply the professional pore primer from Benefit, especially on my nose area, forehead and a little bit on my chin. So the trick is I'm going to take this RCMA setting powder all over my face, especially my T-zone area, and I promise you guys this makes your foundation last longer throughout the day. So now I'm going to take this Benefit Hello Happy Soft Blur foundation. This is perfect for summer because it gives you a matte finish look, plus it's a lightweight. So now I'm going to take this wet sponge from Benefit to blend it out. So don't you worry, I'll never forget you. Know that you can't be here by my side. Conceal plus highlight my face. I'm going to take this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and again taking that same wet sponge, I'm going to blend it out to get that flawless look. Now again, I'm going to take that same RCMA setting powder and set my concealer. So as usual, I'm going to take this Anastasia dipbrow pomade medium brown and shape plus fill my eyebrow. So before applying my eyeshadow, I'm going to set my eyelid, and for the eyeshadow I'm going to take this Morphe 39A eyeshadow palette and taking this color as my transition color. So today I decided to keep my eye very simple and subtle, and I am going to take this color from Morphe 35D eyeshadow palette as my lid color and gradually building that color. So once I'm happy with my eyeshadow, I'm going to skip my eyeliner and I'm going to curl my eyelashes and apply my false lashes. So back to my face, I'm going to take this Hola bronzer from Benefit and I'm going to define my face, especially my cheekbone, jawline and my flat nose. So for the blusher, I'm going to take this Gold Rush from the Benefit. And seriously guys, this smells so good. I just want to apply all over my face. So here I'm highlighting my face using my Benefit Dendilion Twinkle. So for the lips, I'm going to take this Colourpop lipstick. It's on the shade Cami. So at the last, I'm going to spray MAC Fix Plus Matte all over my face to set our makeup. So this is our final look. It's kind of simple, subtle and kind of everyday look for the summer. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.